5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
If anyone, I'll give you money.
So we're back in our second set of our Kubrick show. And this is like one of my favorite films. My hippie mom showed this film to me when I was 12 years old. It took place at a lovely hotel in the mountains. Such a serene setting where absolutely nothing could go wrong. Absolutely nothing. Right, Tony? You know what this one's about, don't you? Red rum! Red rum! Red rum! Red rum! Red rum! Put your hands together for Alice in Chains!
I'm outlining a new writing project.
He's a writer looking for inspiration.
That's about it. Some good ones.
Jack just can't finish his book.
Here's to 5 miserable months.
You're not ready today?
Yes.
Hey, weather forecast said it's gonna snow tonight.
What do you want me to do about it?
Come on, hon. Don't be so grouchy.
I'm not being grouchy. I just finished my work.
Okay, I understand. I'll come back later on with a couple of sandwiches for you, and maybe you'll let me read something then.
Wendy, let me explain something to you. Whenever you come in here and interrupt me, you're breaking my concentration. You're distracting me, and it will then take me time to get back to where I was. Understand?
Yeah?
Fine. And we're gonna make a new rule. Whenever I'm in here, you'll hear me typing. When you don't hear me typing, what the fuck you hear me doing in here? When I'm in here, that means that I am working. That means don't come in. How do you think you can handle that?
Yeah.
Fine. Why don't you start right now and get the fuck out of here?
Okay.
of the wallpaper of the Overlook Hotel. Did you notice that? And underneath that, she was sporting the carpets of the Overlook Hotel. I saw it backstage, I swear.
You should see my hedge maze.
Oh! Yeah!
It's got a couple old actors lost in it.
We've lost a few performers in it, I know. We know that. Okay, so we're gonna go to our second number. And this movie is the last movie in the of Stanley Kubrick. Some people don't like it, but I do. It's full of secret societies, misunderstandings, and sexual innuendo. I remember when the movie was this one was being made, this is finished, and I went to a party, and I think Ronnie was there actually, and Nicole Kidman and Tom Cruise were actually in attendance at this punk rock show, believe it or not. Shut up, Ronnie. And my friend Jules came running up to them. We were staying all by themselves, no security, no nothing. My friend Jules came running full speed up to Tom Cruise, and she's like, "Tom Cruise, you suck!" And there's a moment of silence, and Nicole Kidman looked at Tom Cruise, and she said, "Honey, you know what? Your fucking Scientologist fucking goddamn ass does suck, motherfucker! I'm out of here!" But we're gonna pay tribute to the last movie of Stanley Kubrick called Eyes Wide Shut. So put your hands together for Semantics. I knew this was gonna happen eventually, that someone's gonna die at one of my shows.
I knew it.
I think that's a good thing, though.
It is.
Oh, we have some revival here. Put your hands together for the most sexy, mysterious Sam Antics. Junior tribute to